Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PageSpeed Insights for performance SEO fixes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the PageSpeed Insights website. Enter your website URL into the input box provided on the home page. Click on the Analyze button to run the test on your website. Wait a few moments for the analysis to complete. Once the analysis is finished, you will see a performance score displayed at the top of the results page. Scroll down to the section labeled Opportunities. Here, you will find specific recommendations to improve your site's performance. Next, review each suggestion carefully. Each recommendation will provide an estimated savings in terms of loading time. Take note of high-impact suggestions that are easy to implement first. Common recommendations include optimizing images and leveraging browser caching. For image optimization, compare the original images on your site with the suggested formats or sizes provided. Use an image editing tool or an online compressor to reduce file sizes accordingly. Next, check the recommendation for leveraging browser caching. This typically involves modifying your web server's settings or adding code to your .access file. Follow the instructions provided under each suggestion to apply the recommended changes. Once adjustments are made, retest your website using PageSpeed Insights. Observe any improvement in your score and loading time. Continue to refine your site based on the insights provided until you reach your desired performance goals. Finally, ensure you regularly monitor your website's speed and performance using the tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.